Okay, as you can see, I have my border put on my Afghan, and that's what we're going to be doing today. Is we are going to be doing the border on our Afghan for the Patchwork Mystery CAL. And as you can see, my Jacob's Ladder square here, what I did for all the way around before I put on this decoration, I double crocheted all the way around my Afghan. Once everything was connected, I put a double crochet all the way around my Afghan. Okay, so in today's video we will be doing the border. Okay, we'll be doing that decorative border that you see on the side of my Jacob's Ladder square. Okay, as you can see, I put my double crochet row across the top of my square, and actually we did it across the top and around every square in the Afghan. Okay, like I showed you in the other video. So now we are going to be adding that decorative border that you've seen. And again, I am a left-handed crocheter, and I will have the link to the original video that I used to make this design. This is not my design. I don't want to take credit for it. I will put where it originally came from, but this is the left-handed version of this design. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to slip stitch in the top of chain 3 right in the corner of our border. We are going to chain 2, skip 1 stitch, so we're going to skip this next double crochet and then put a double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, next we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then we're going to put 3 double crochet around this double crochet post that we just made. Okay, so here we go. There's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and there you have your first, I forgot what she called them, but you have your first decoration for your border. Okay, so next we are going to skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and then in the 4th stitch we are going to double crochet. Okay, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we are going to place 3 double crochet around the post of the double crochet that we just made. Okay, so here is, I like to turn mine a little sideways. There is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, then we are going to skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, double crochet in that 4th stitch. We are going to chain 3, And then we are going to do 3 double crochet in that post of the double crochet that we just made. And you get a little slanted post there. It's like you get a lollipop. That's what I'm going to call them. Lollipop. Okay? So there you have it. Again, I'm a left-handed crocheter. I will put the link to the original pattern for those that want to go ahead and continue on. You're more than welcome to. I am going to demonstrate a few more. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please be sure to post those. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that while you're here. If you need to find me for anything, you can find me on Facebook, my Facebook page, Joe's Crafty Hook, and I look forward to seeing you. Thank you for joining me, and happy crocheting. Oh, and also, do not forget to post your finished Afghans, because there will be a prize granted to the winner of their Afghan. Okay, but you have to do your borders and your joining in order to win, and that will be in 2 weeks. So be sure to get your joining and your borders done. Post your finished Afghans in our Patchwork Mystery CAL group, and enter for a chance to win a number of prizes. Okay, so again, we're going to do our lollipop here. We are going to skip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. We're going to put a double crochet in that 4th space. So there's our double crochet. We are going to chain 3, and then we are going to put 3 double crochet in this post here. Again, I like to turn mine sideways. 2 and 3. And there you have your lollipop. As you can see, you got a little handle for your lollipop. Okay, I will do a couple more for you. We're gonna skip 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet in that 4th double crochet, or whatever stitch you have. There's your double crochet. You're gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you are going to put 3 double crochet around the post of the double crochet you just made. And there you have it. There you have your lollipops as your border for your Patchwork Mystery CAL Afghan. It's not a mystery anymore, but it's a mystery of who is going to win the prizes. So again, there is the lollipops that we did for our border. Again, my name is Joey Lee Baird. I thank you for joining me. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, again, please put those below. If you would like to see any type of pattern stitch created, please put a comment below, and I will do my best to get that out for you. Again, be sure to post your pictures of your finished Afghan with your borders and your joining in the Patchwork Mystery CAL Facebook group. Have a great day, and happy crocheting.